So, I'm at my house. Haven't made a video in a couple days. So, I'm going to talk about the rain. Outside, it's really bad thunder and lightning. Even though behind me it looks like the sun's out, it's not. There's no rain yet. Weird. Usually there's rain before thunder and lightning, but there's not. My dog's actually afraid of it. I don't know where she is right now. So, does anybody else like the rain? Do you like the thunder, lightning? Because, personally, I like the lightning, and thunder can be a little scary, but it's alright. I like it, kind of. I like the rain, because I like to be outside in the rain. It's very refreshing. I know when I was a little kid, I was obsessed with the rain. I don't know, I've been really, weird the past few days, not upset, in a depressed state. I'm alright, though. Some moments I'm really happy, some I'm really, upset or pissed off, and I'm not sure why. I'm not in my room, I'm actually upstairs on the couch, watching Victorious. This is olive juice, because I can drink olive juice. So I walk my dog, and there's this really weird guy outside, and he always rides his bike for some reason. I mean, it's nice to ride your bike and all, it's healthy and stuff, but he rides his bike around the whole neighborhood for hours on end. And whenever I walk the dog, he rides on the same street that I'm on. Or if I'm out with Jess, he rides the same street that I'm on until I go to my house.
Congratulations, you won.
Apparently I won something. Yeah, and he does that, and it's really weird. And he sort of stares as he rides by. It's kind of creepy. He's older. He's 39, 40. He has grayish hair. He's really creepy though. He always wears a badge so that people think he's a cop when he's really not. It's just an ID and plastic casing around his neck. And I don't think he has a social life. Hope he never sees this video. Yeah, I got a text message. Where is it? Something? I don't know. But I have a lollipop. These have actually been in the cabinet for a really long time. Since we sort of moved here, I guess. The bag wasn't even opened, and I just sort of looked at it, and I was like, oh, I really want one of those sometime. I don't know when. And I would never take one, and then just now I was like, I really want something sweet. So I usually don't. I usually go back and forth, but right now I did. So I got one. Things online. Alright. I think I'm done with this. I'm making another one later.